Hello everyone, I'm Dan and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a header sticky and keep it on top when you are scrolling through the pages. Without further ado, let's dive in. To save up some time, I imported this template and I will use it to show you how to make your header to stay at top. If you like this template, you can find the link to it in the description of this video. First, we will go to the dashboard, and in dashboard you can see that I already have enabled unlimited add-ons for Elementor Lite, which is a free option for users that do not have Elementor Pro installed. As you can see here, Elementor Pro is deactivated and only Ultimate add-ons for Elementor is activated. Now we will click on the Ultimate add-ons for Elementor and go to the header and footer builder, and here we can click edit with Elementor on the header part, and here we can see the header that I already imported to this website. If you're not sure how to build the headers with Ultimate add-ons for Elementor, you can visit one of my previous videos in description below, and you can go through that one and then return to this video again. So we will make this imported header template to stay at top when you are scrolling down. First we will select the header container, and now we can go to the plus icon here, and here we can type HTML and drag this widget below the logo. Actually, you can put it anywhere in this container, but I will put it under the logo. And this part will not be visible on the site, it will contain just the code that we will copy now. And now I will go to my notepad. And as you can see here, we have already prepared code that will work with the Ultimate add-ons for Elementor. You can select it whole and copy it, and then click in the HTML code part here and click paste. And here is the code. Here you can see the custom class that says clear header, which contains background color for the header, which is transparent when the header is not scrolled down. And the second one that says sticky header, which controls the header when it's scrolled down, and it contains from background color that you can define here, and its transparency, which will be background of the header when we scroll down. Those two parts are the only parts that you probably will at some point want to edit, or you can leave it like this, but I will strongly recommend to adapt at least this color to resemble your branding and your website. And now from here we are going to copy the name of first class, copy it, and select the main container of the header again. Go to the Advanced tab, scroll down until you see the CSS classes, and then click here and paste that name of the class that you already copied. Now we can go to the publish, and after the page publishes we can switch to the preview on the front end and see what happens. After refreshing, you will probably notice that nothing changed, but after we start scrolling down you will notice that header stays at top and it has a transparent purple background behind it, which improves the visibility of the text and logo when you scroll over the website. And that will be pretty much it about the setting up the sticky header for the Elementor free. Now we are going to switch to the Elementor Pro version, which is the recommended way of adding the headers and footers that doesn't use any kind of additional plugins or code. If you don't have already Elementor Pro license, you can check the description of this video and get yours now. So let's start. Now we will return to the dashboard of the WordPress, and I will go to the plugins, installed plugins. Now I will deactivate Ultimate Addons for Elementor Lite, and as you can see, it's removed from here. And when we go to the front end, if we refresh this page, header will disappear and it will switch to the default header that's present in the Hello Elementor WordPress theme. Now we are going to enable and activate the Elementor Pro. Then we will go to the templates, theme builder, and within it I already created the header and footer with the same design imported. Now we can click here and we can go edit header, and as you can see, this header is exactly the same as the previous header with the free version. And when we go to the front end and refresh it again, it should be visible already here, and it's not sticky yet. Now we are going to turn that one sticky also. We will return to the header editor, and here we are going to click to the header container, and then we can click on the advanced tab and scroll down until we see the motion effects. We can click on the motion effects. Here under the sticky we can click here and select the top, and we can publish it. Now if we return to the preview and refresh the page, if we scroll it will be sticky, but it doesn't have a background yet. Now we are going to add it too. We will return to the editor again and go to the style section, and under the style section in the background part we should click here, and then we can select the color of our background. I will use the global defined colors here. Let's take this purple. Then we will go down to the scrolling effects and turn it on. Within it we will click on the pen icon next to the transparency, and here as you can see I prefer to use these following options like fade in, level 10, and from 0 to 10% viewport option. Then we click outside of it, and below it we have the effects relative to, and here we should select the entire page, and then we can go publish. Then we can return to the front end part and refresh the page. And when we start scrolling down, header gets this purple background color that helps us recognize the header parts when we scroll over the website. So this would be pretty much it about the creating sticky header for the Elementor Pro version 2. And also, if you are struggling with creating the headers with the Elementor Pro version, you can watch the video in the description that shows you how to build a header for the Pro version of Elementor. You can find all the resources used in this video in the description below. If you like this kind of videos and tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye!